meme review. I'm just kidding. Guys, I'm so excited because we're doing something that I have never done on this channel before. Ever. We are opening some amiibo cards. I know, this is such an original idea. I have never ever done it before. I know that you guys are not sick of it yet. But yeah, we're going to open some amiibo cards. And of course, can you guess which ones in particular that we are going for? Series 3. It is what it is. It's 5 packs, Series 3, and I have a little story time whilst I open them because I'm going to cut all the tops of them while I tell you this magical story. I got my scissors. I also can't find my actual scissors, so I'm using my crochet scissors. Okay, so I went and got these from Kmart. Usually I go to EB Games, but I got them from Kmart, you know, this time around. I don't know, I just had this feeling of like, you know what, if you go to Kmart, you're going to get Mary, and I was only going to get one packet, so I lined up because they're usually behind like the counter, you know, so I lined up and I said, you know, like, hi, like I was wondering if I could just get the Animal Crossing amiibo cards, and the lady was like, they should be in the cabinet, and I was like, oh, and she's like, yeah, go check, and if they're not there, I'll go look at the back for the reserves. And I didn't want to be like, if they're in the cabinet, like, I still need you to get them because they're locked away in a cabinet. So I went back and I looked and I couldn't see them in the cabinet, I'll be honest. So I came back and I was like, and then I had to wait because then there was a line of people, and then there was like 3 people ahead of me, and I was like, this is not fair at all. I had waited my turn behind the person doing the return. I had done my time. I'd gone to the front, and then you just told me like, go look in the cabinet that is locked. So I waited, and then she looked at me and was just like to a coworker, she's like, and like she went to the back, and a coworker served me, and I was like, and I said, I was like, hi, like I was just wondering if I could get the Animal Crossing amiibo cards, and she's like, what? And I was like, Animal Crossing amiibo cards, and she was like, do we sell them here? And I was like, yes, you do. She was like, okay, hang on. She had to like call on like the thing, and I was like, she's like, what are they? And I was like, they're like cards for Animal Crossing. They're amiibo. I didn't know how to explain it. She didn't know. I didn't know what to do. And then someone said they're like in the cabinet, and she was like, oh, are they like Pokemon cards? And I was like, yeah, kind of, but like for Animal Crossing, and I like the amiibo, I'm like, you know. And so she went behind we walked over, and she spotted them in the cabinet. I also wasn't wearing my glasses, so like they were like kind of hidden in the cabinet. She unlocked it for me, ended up getting the 5. Well, first I said I was gonna get 1, but then I was like, oh, this is such like a hassle, like I'm gonna get like 4 of them, you know. And then she was like, you wanted 5? And I was like, yeah, I'll take 5, you know. I was like, oh, I didn't really want to spend, you know, but it's fine because that's fate, you know. So hopefully in the 5th packet will be the Mary. So as we all know, I have my Series 3 folder. We are after Mary, and we all know that I am after Mary. We would love Lily or Marina. Those 3, top 3, can we please just get Mary? Because that would honestly, like, I would cry of happiness. I'd be able to take a break from amiibo cards for a while. So, is it Mary? My heart, little pitter patter. But Genji, very cool. This is a very cool villager. I actually never knew about this villager. Next up, ooh, we have another Corterius, I don't know how to pronounce it, but we already have him. And then we do in fact have Wilderl as well. I think we actually have all of the, no, we need Balafers, Grams, Dom, and Isabel to complete all the special ones. The jumper is also neck deep, so it's like super cool in case you're wondering. It's got the little, but yes, anyways, not the point of the video. The point of the video is that we're getting Mary. You know, like the 10 has kind of tricked me for a second. I was like, ooh. But no, we did not get Mary. So Mary, Colton. So we got Morty and Colton, Isabel. We have Pelly as well. We already. Whew, okay, but this is it. This is the third one. Mary. We have Biscuit. It's fine, but this is Mary. We have Wolfgang. I don't think I have Wolfgang's amiibo card, so that's cool. And then we have Isabel. Not Isabel. Oh, we have 2 packs left. I am too poor to keep buying amiibo cards, you know. My camera ran out of things. I have 3 minutes on the clock to finish this. So we have not Mary. So we have Altiano, and then Sparrow, and then Isabel. No, we don't need Leaf. We needed Leaf last time, and we got him. Can this please be Mary? I really have been doing my heart and soul into this. Please. Is this Lyman? Please be Mary. That's not Claus, is it? Tell me that's not Claus. You look at me right now. Look at me, okay? Tell me that's not Claus, okay? Tell me that I just imagined that, okay? You know when you're just so sad? You know that feeling? Can this at least be Isabel? I give up. I give up. I do all this to give amazing content for you all, and I get trash cards. I get sadness. That's all I get. So you know what? Okay, I'm gonna go through, see which ones are double ups and which ones are not, and I'll be back in a second. So it is 9 and 6. So take a little guess. Comment down below, which do you think the 9 is? Because it's the double ups. We got 9 double ups and we got 6 new ones. And you know what? Genji, my favorite card we've pulled from this one. Biscuit is very cool as well. And Wolfgang, of course, is also very cool. But there you have it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you give Corterius to the subscribe button. That doesn't make sense. Make sure you amiibo card the subscribe button so you know when I upload, because I do amazing content like this that you do not want to miss out on. So make sure you do that, because one day we will get married. Okay, I promise. So you don't want to miss out on that. Give me a like, subscribe, comment, do all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next one. Be safe, everyone, and I'm gonna go cry. Bye!